What's going on, everybody? Colin here with Techout, and when I start this, I hope the DJI mic Mini here, the 2, has good audio noise cancellation, because there's a wood chipper like right outside the window. So if you hear like some random grinding and stuff like that, that's what that is. But I want to talk about the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold here. I made a video, or I guess it was actually a short, saying that I was returning this, and I really want to love this phone. I really do like this phone. I like the form factor. I like the way it feels in the hand, and I like the way that it, the size of the inner display and just how easy it is to hold and stuff like that. Kind of compared to like the Z Fold 7, which is the only other foldable I've used recently. I mean, I used the OnePlus Open as well. And I actually want to say between this and the OnePlus Open, these two are probably my favorite kind of size and form factor for the outer display and the inner display, and the aspect ratio and everything over the Z Fold. I just like that it's more of a normal kind of outer screen. It doesn't feel too narrow, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is kind of tall and narrow. I don't really like that. It kind of smushes the keyboard together, in my opinion, and it makes it a little bit harder to type on, especially if you come from a slab phone, which I alternate back and forth. But the issue I'm having with the Pixel here is the fact that I wanted to purchase Google Pixel Care Plus, which is their accidental damage coverage and warranty kind of thing. But I'm having an issue. I've been getting the runaround from Google support. They have absolutely terrible support. They either tell me that, oh, we've paused enrollment for Pixel Care Plus if you purchase the device outside the Google store. So if you buy it at Best Buy, or you buy it at a carrier, or you buy it at Amazon, you can't enroll in Pixel Care Plus until March. Well, this is a $1,700 phone. I really don't want to have to, have a $1,700 phone unprotected. And yes, I know you guys say you can get Square Trade or another warranty, or there's not too many good warranty providers out there that you can just outright go buy a protection plan from. Most have to be like through a carrier, like Assurion or whatever it's called, which partners with Ubreak iFix if you want to take it into like a local store to get it fixed. You have to buy that through a carrier, and they're the ones that manage the Pixel Care Plus, I believe. But Google's paused enrollment for that right now, so they tell me I have to wait till March. And then another thing they're telling me is I purchased this device more than 60 days ago, so it's not eligible to be enrolled. Well, I purchased this device on February 2nd and got it on February 4th, and for some reason the purchase date is incorrect, and it shows a different purchase date under the warranty section. It shows okay, and now see, let me cover the IMEI. I was fighting with Google forever because that said November 25th, 2025, and now it updated to February 4th, 2026. So maybe this whole issue will be resolved and I can finally purchase Pixel Care. I'll try it right now and see if it works, and then maybe I'll have to wait till March. So we'll go to the My Pixel app, and we'll go here to, let me just copy the IMEI real quick. Let's see if this fixes it. Manage Pixel Care Plus. Check eligibility. Put in the IMEI. And okay, yeah, so right now, let me just cover actually, I guess I can just erase the IMEI so you guys don't see it, but I had the IMEI in there, obviously, and it says that this Pixel 10 Pro Fold Moonstone 256 gigabytes, this one right here, is not eligible for coverage. So who knows what the problem is. It looks like the other spot has finally updated. I don't know if they fixed that based on the receipt I sent in or what the case was, but that's finally fixed. The warranty date on here says February 4th, and then the warranty date on the beginning of the page says February 4th, 2027. So those are matching now. So at least we're getting somewhere there. Hopefully they let me enroll here in March when they resume enrollments, and they don't take 65 days or 61 days before they restart the enrollment process. So I guess we'll have to wait and see, but we are finally getting somewhere with the Google Pixel and the warranty date, which I didn't really care about the warranty date. I just needed the purchase date to be correct so it would let me enroll and not think that I bought the device more than 60 days ago. So finally we got that taken care of somehow. Don't know how, but we'll wait and see if I can purchase Pixel Care here in the next month or so. Right now I have Square Trade on it just for the time being. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.